Okay, in this video I want to go over first joining the team in Replit, then starting a project in Replit, and finally submitting a project in both Replit.com and Blackboard. So first you need to go to Replit.com, and in the upper right-hand corner there's a button that says sign up, and you'll need to sign up with an account that uses your Tri-C email address. I will send information then to join our team to that email address. So you need to use the Tri-C email address. So you should receive an email like this. And if you already have an account in Replit, you should also see um, a notification. So you'll see something like this if you click on notifications. So you've been invited to join. And this is the name of our team. So whatever semester you're in, probably a future semester would be the semester or term. So this stands for fall 21. The first four characters of your instructor's last name, and then the course ID. So in your email, just go ahead and click join, and it should take you into Replit, into the team. Now, whenever you come back to Replit, you can just click on this Teams button on the left side, and then find our team for the semester. So here's fall 21. So if I click on that, I'm going to see all of the projects for our class. And if you haven't started it, you'll see this button will say start project or something like that. And since I've already started it, I can click on continue working. So whenever you do something in the REPL, it will, in the Replit, it'll save the work for you automatically. And then you just come back here and click on continue working. So you'll see labs appear as I release them throughout the semester. So I'm going to click continue working, and it should open up the project now in Replit.com. And you'll see, actually there's a mistake in this. You'll see that there is an outline for the project, and in comments I put the steps that you need to complete for the lab. So these should match what are in the rubrics, and then also sometimes I'll put the instructions in Blackboard, but they should be the same. So here's step 1, step 2, and you can see throughout the lab each step is in a comment in the code. So what I want you to do is add the code that's required right after that comment, and please leave the instruction in place. So I'm going to leave this step 1 line, and I'm going to enter, it says add a multi-line comment with your name and email. So I'll do that here. So name and email. And of course, in Replit, we can run it and see if it works. Make sure that your code runs before you submit it. Okay, so now if I have all of this lab done, let's pretend like I've finished these additional steps here. I'll add one more for you since you watched the video. So let's pretend now like we have all of the steps for the lab done. We've run it, we've tested it, we see that it works. Then there are 2 steps to submit it. First, I'm going to click the submit button in Replit, and that submits it in Replit.com. That doesn't mean you can't go back and work on it more, but it shows me that you've submitted in Replit. Then I want you to go up to the address bar, and you can't see it, it's off the screen, but I'm going above the bar. Now, I don't want you, sometimes in Replit there's an address down here where you're previewing it in a full screen preview. I don't want that. I want you to actually go up to the address bar and copy the URL from the address bar, and then we're going to take that and we're going to go into Blackboard, and in Blackboard click on the lab. We call this the lab Dropbox, and in the comments section I want you to paste the URL to your Replit, and this could be right to the CS file would be great, and then click submit in Blackboard. So that's all I want you to submit in Blackboard, but you have to submit it in Blackboard in order to get points. Otherwise, I don't have anything to attach the grade to. So that's it. Make sure that you signed up for Replit, that you have joined our team, that you've tried starting the project, and make sure that you submit it in Replit, and also submit a link to your Replit in Blackboard to finish the lab. Okay, thanks and good luck.